So now we are already on our example number 2. So in this example, this is the problem. Find the present value of 12,850 pesos due in 3 years if the interest rate is 6% compounded monthly. So ang case na to ani is pangitao na to ang imuhang present value. That means we're looking for P, no? Tapos given na to ang 12,850 nga due in 3 years if ang interest rate nato is 6% and compounded monthly or kada bulan. So since gipangita nato is present value, therefore we are looking for our future value. But this given right here is our future value or compound amount. So ang first nato is given. Again, atong isulat ang given. F is equal to 12,850 pesos. Okay? And then ang years is 4 times 3 years. Then we have interest rate of 6%. So R is equal to 6%. And our M is in word, which is monthly. Monthly is for M is equal to 12. So M is equal to 12. Now, which of the following formulas are we going to use? Ipangita nato si P, given si F, given si R, si T, and si M. So, in this case, ang gamiton is, di ba, tani, present value, P ang ipangita. No, pero duha siya. Kaso, dili given si I diretso, dili po given si N diretso. So, atong gamiton is kani siya because na si R, na si M, na si T. So, proceed ta. P is equal to F times 1 plus R over M raised to the power of negative M times T. So now, substitute the values. We have 12,850 times 1 plus R, which is 6%. Now, remember, i-divide nato ni siya. I-divide nato ni siya sa 100. So, our final rate is 0.06. R over M. So, R is 0.06. I-divide na to sa imong M, which is 12. Man, negative M, 12 times your T, which is 3 years. Okay? Ato sa ning i-process una, no, before anything else in the equation. So, we have 12,850 times 1 plus 0.06 divide 12. We're going to use the calculator. The answer would be 0.005. Then raised to the power of negative 12 times 3. 12 times 3 is negative 36. Now, let's add first before we do anything else. So 12,850. 1 plus this is 1.005 raised to the power of negative 36. Then, let's process this first before we multiply it with this value. So, 12,850, copy lang. Then, the answer for this, if you're going to use the calculator, is taas-taas. So, 0.8356449188. So, karon namin siya na value, atong i-multiply din haa sa imong 12,850. And our final answer for P, our present value, is 10,738.04 pesos. So, muni karon imuhang present value. Muni ang ato ang original na kwarta. Pagkahuman, gibutang ni siya sa bangko, kunwari, gibutang ni siya sa bangko, pagkahuman, sulod sa tulong katuig, no, gibutang ni sa bangko. So sa tulong katuig, gi-compound siya kada bulan. No, kada bulan gitubuan imong kwarta ug 6%. So, ang iabot sa imong kwarta after 3 years, gikan aning 10,000 plus is nahimog siyang 12,850. Kaya mo man ang ato ang future value. So, I hope you get that. Now, let's proceed with our example number 3. At this moment, we are going to have the problem first. Let us read the problem first. At what rate of interest compounded semi-annually will 14,300 accumulate to 17,000 in 2 years and 6 months? As the usual, we are going to start with our given. So let us list our given first. So dito sa first na to nga quantity, that is 14,300 pesos. Nasa peso sign, therefore, either lang siya nga principal or compound amount. So, kung atong sabton, ang imuhang problem, ang 14,300 is ang original na kwarta, ang gigikanan na kwarta. Kaya nga naman, kaning second mo na quantity na 17,000 pesos is accumulate to na siya. So, padulong na dito ang kwarta. That means this is already your compound or compounded amount. So, dirita, kanimuhang 14,300, therefore, is your principal. So, P is equal to 14,300. And then we have the other, which is F, 17,000 pesos. Okay? Sunod is kanimuhang 2 years and 6 months. So, based on our experience na, once we see years and months, that would be for time or term. So, T is equal to 2 years and 6 months. Now, if you can still remember, unit for time is always in years. Therefore, naman tayong months, ato siyang i-convert into years. So, saan siya pag-convert to years? We're going to divide this by 12. So, 6 months, that is divided by 12. Therefore, this is 0.5. Year na siya. Kaya nato na siyang i-add sa imong 2 years. Kaya naman kay 2 years plus 0.5 na year. So, ang final nato na T karon is 2.5 years. And the last given is not given to you in number, but in words. No? So, your clue there is semi-annually. So, kung tanawin nato ang semi-annually, that is M is equal to 2. So, ang atong last na given is M is equal to 2. Pero in this problem, what are we looking for? So, gipangita, at what rate of interest? Therefore, our R is asked. No, R is asked in the problem. So, in this case, we're going to choose which formula ang ato ang magamit, no? So, sa atong makita din isa lang dira ang formula for rate. This one, no? Kaya nasa second to the last part. So, in that formula, we have R is equal to M bracket parenthesis F over P, then raised to the power of 1 over N minus 1, then bracket. So, karon ato siyang i-substitute ang tanan nimo nga values dinhi diri sa sulod. Okay? So, we have M, which is equal to 2. Tapos, bracket F na diri, that is 17,000 pesos. Pwede na ito tanggalon lang sa pesos para dili siya samok. And then, we have 14,300. Tapos, ana. No? Raised siya to the power of 1 over N. Karon, sa itong makita sa given, wala pa yung N. Kaya naaman tayo way para makita ng N. So, saan para makita ng N? Here. N is equal to M times T. So, para makuha na to ang N, ganito na to, si M ug si T. So, ang wato na to is M 2 times T, which is 2.5. So, 2 times 2.5. 2 times 2.5 will be 5. Okay? So, 1 over 5. And then, minus 1, then bracket. So, ato ni siya isa-isahon. Unahan na ito ang nasusunod sa imuhang parentheses. Okay? Unahan na ito. Okay? So, 2, copy lang siya, bracket. And then 70,000 over or divided by 14,300. Use your calculator. So, nanakoy nakadaan na ako nag-solve ka ganina daan sa inyong module. So, ang answer, anak, would be taas, 1.18881111888. No? Parenthesis ni siya. Tapos, raised to the power of 1/5. Kung atong i-divide ang 1 over 5, kaya ganit siyang 1 over 5 is i-divide na nimong duha, no? Your answer would be 0.2. Human, copy ang 1, tapos bracket. No? Dili sa nato ni siya inabtan, kanitanan, dili ko nato siya i-times taan. Unahang sa nato ni siya. Ato sa kani siya nga value, i-raise na nato sa power of 0.2. So, ang answer, anak, would be 1.03519597999. Anak siya. Pagkahuman, i-minus nato sa 1. Karon ayaw sa siya i-multiply tanan ha, kay malibog ang calculator ana kung dili gud advance ang calculator. So matong buhaton una is i-minus nato ni sila duha. So 1 minus 1 just kayo minus 1. So dali lang na siya. 2 bracket tapos kopyahon lang nato ni tanan 0.0351959799. Karon, ato na siya i-multiply. So, kung ato na i-multiply, tapos, your rate now is 0.0704. Karon, nakanungdumtan ang rate should be in percent, di ba? So, kung in percent siya, dapat ato na siyang i-multiply by 100. So, our final answer would be 7.04%. So our rate or our final answer would be 7.04%. So that is how you solve our example number 3 in finding our rate. So let's proceed now to our last example, which is example number 4. In this problem, we are looking for how many years? That means we are looking for our time. So how many years will it take for 13,000 pesos to become 20,000 pesos at 12.5% compounded annually? So kung tahay daw, mabutang ka kwarta sa bangko na 13,000 pesos. So muli siya yung original na kwarta kay to become kaniman siya. No? So kani daw siya, mutubo siya mahimong 20,000. No? Pagkahuman, ang iyang interest rate is 12.5%. Tapos, compounded siya every year lang. Within how many years daw? Nga, mahimong in-ani mong kwarta. So, man na ito ang problema. Pangitaw na ito, kung pila ka tuwing, ang imong 13,000, mutubo siya, mahimo siyang 20,000 pesos. So, here, therefore, how many years man ta? Therefore, we are looking for our time, or T. So, let us write our given R. We have, first, we have 13,000 pesos. So, muna itong original na kwarta. So, that is P. To become, that means, padulong ni siya, aning kwarta. So, this is your F. 20,000 pesos. And then, we have percent. That means, this is your rate, 12.5%. Divide lang ito daan sa 100. So, this becomes 0.125. Tama ba? Oh, wait. Yes, tama. And then, after that, our M, annually. So, M is equal to 1. Okay? Then, we are looking for time. Asa dali nga formula? Wala na ilaing formula nga gamiton sa pagpangita sa time. Only the last one. So, T is equal to log F over P, but P, divided by M, bracket, log of 1 plus I, bracket. Okay? Sa ato mapansin, dili given si I. Tama? Pero, Ang atong I, pwede nato makita gamit ang R o ang M. So, namatay R, natay M, pwede nato di siya makitaan ang imuhang I. Unahon na ito nagpangita daan, babe. So, yung I is equal to R over M. So, 0.125 divided by 1. Automatically, the answer is 0.125 gihapon. So, mo man ni karon ang ato ang I. Klaro? So, diretso na ta atong ikambyo. Okay? So, log of F. So, F is 20,000. I-divide nato sa 13,000. Kuman, i-divide na siya tanan sa M, which is 1, multiplied by the log of 1 plus I, which is 0.125. Kuman, bracket. So, karon unahon sa nato ni siya pag-process, no? Before nato ni siya i-log. So, karon, the answer for that is log of, divide nato ang 20,000, divide 13,000. The answer would be 1.53846153885. Medyo taas, kaya gikuha din ako ang nasa sulod ay gisulat sa calculator. Kuman, i-divide nato na siya sa 1, tapos log of, i-add nato ning duha. So, 1.125 bracket. Kuha? Okay, sunod, kuha na to ang log ani. Okay? Ang log ani, kung i-diretso din itong i-diretso, ang log ani is 0.1870434. Okay, kuha. I-divide nato na siya sa log ani. Kaya kung sa log ani, i-multiply naman gihapon nato sa 1. So, ang answer ani, diretso na ito ibutang din sa imong denominator. So, 0.05115252224. So, muna ni siya karon ang ato ang i-divide duha. Kung ato nang i-divide ning duha, no, ang answer ana is 3.66 years. Actually, taas ang answer ani. Ato lang siyang gi-round off. So, that is your time. Okay? So, it would take 3.66 years in order for your 13,000 pesos to become 20,000 pesos. No, kung compounded siya annually and with this interest rate. So, karon, at this juncture, naadira yung mga exercises, no? So, what's more sa page 15, you just do that. Answer that in a one whole sheet of paper. And then after that is na ato sa part nga what I have learned. Din ha sa what I have learned, makita naman ninyo kung saan. Din ako na i-explain ha. Same lang man gyapon ang process. Kana lang siyang sa what I have learned is word problem siya nga situational. So, nanay, Joseph borrows 50,000. Pero actually, same lang na siya. No, ang pag-process. So, kamo nila bahala kung sunod, ana ha, kamo na practice ana. Pagkahuman, answer na pod ta sa what I can do in page 17. And then, after that, additional activities na, which I have instructions na not to do. And then, lastly, would be the assessment. So, that would be the end of our quarter 2 nga module number 1, which is all about simple and compound interest. So that would be all. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, for you to get updated about other videos as well, because I am also posting about Earth and Life Sciences for grade 12 or nambot na by grade 11 nga nagakuha ana. But I hope that you are learning something out from my video. So that's it for today. Goodbye everyone and see you next week.